Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this BMW on a 2017 418D Sport. Now this is the Gran Coupe, so this is a 5-door hatchback car with 5 seats which will comfortably fit 5 adults in really very nice environment. Now this particular model has got some very nice features over the standard vehicle, which I'll show you as we go around. Now the vehicle is finished in mineral white pearlescent paintwork. Now this is a metallic white and suits this vehicle, I think, wonderfully. Now they're sat on 19-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels, which are an option, and this particular one has been upgraded by the previous keeper to, I suppose, a black package, so it's all white with an external black package. The wheels are absolutely as new, having just recently been freshly powder coated in high gloss black finish, and all the wheels are in, as I say, perfect condition. Now as you can see in there, it's got the red brake calipers, which just sets it off. Now down the side of the vehicle we've got the M Performance decal. Standard front bumper there, which suits well. We've got that bottom lip sort of integrated spoiler, and then we've got the dark black kidney grills rather than chrome, and then with the M Sport colours on 3 of the blades. All the way round, this vehicle has been exceptionally cared for. Very low mileage car this, so looking down both sides of the vehicle it is in perfect order. We do have the privacy glass in the rear as well, just to give that definition. The Gran Coupe is pillarless, so it's a comfort coupe. There's no pillars around the doors, so it looks like a coupe would if it was a 2-door. But because this is a 4-door, we then get the benefit of the rear seat having 3 seats, whereas in a 4 Series coupe it is only a 4-seat with 2 in the back. Oh, electric tailgate as well. I'm pulling it up there and it's electric. Huge boot space there, as you can see, very similar to that of the 3 Series Touring, and a storage facility underneath the base. Electric tailgate, so I'll just press the button and down it comes. We've got the addition of the carbon fibre effect rear spoiler on there. That looks fantastic on this particular car, I must admit, but this car just looks wonderful. Everything about it is in exceptional order, as you can see. Very well priced here in Alpha Motors in Wigan. So we've got the Gran Coupe decal there as well. But what a beautiful vehicle. As I say, all the wheels and tyres are in immaculate order, and it's running on Goodyear Eagle tyres all round also. We've got the 2 keys, we've got the book pack, we've got the service documentation. A wonderful car. Somebody's badged it with the M Sport badge as well. And then the M Performance decal, which runs down the sill. Now opening up on the car, we are welcomed by the black Dakota leather, and that is then got the high gloss trim finish and knurled aluminium. 4 electric windows, electric door mirrors, entry plates BMW, and then full black leather interior in superb order throughout. Multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter. Then also on there we'll have the radio controls. Starting the vehicle up there, we'll see there 23,520 miles. No warning lights on the dashboard, just it needs a bit of fuel. And doing 44.3 miles to the gallon average. That's not bad, is it? So taking a look around the cabin, we've got the automatic headlamps, we've got the automatic wipers, we've got the onboard computer, we've got this lovely stitched leather steering wheel in contrast red stitch, 6-speed manual transmission, and then we've got the full controls down below, so Bluetooth, satellite navigation, radio, etc. This one has heated seats as well, digital climate control, aircon, CD player, media player, so we've got disc, USB, external devices, the radio, yes, DAB, and then we've got satellite navigation, Bluetooth telephone. Lovely car. The aluminium runs through on the dashboard and then onto the doors, but the seats themselves are in absolutely perfect order. Lifting up the centre armrest, we've got an auxiliary and a USB in there if you want to connect your device. But a beautiful car. Now, I don't smoke, and I can tell that the last keeper of this vehicle was not a smoker. This car is in beautiful order and smells fresh and clean. It's had a full shampooing inside and leather conditioning, so it's really as new in every possible way and presented to the highest of standards. So taking a look in the back there, you can see as I open the door there is no pillars on the door, and then again we're greeted with the aluminium and black contrast detail. The rear leather seat is in as good as new condition. Exceptional order, this car, exceptional order. So all in all, to recap, we've got such a low mileage, we've got the 2 keys, we've got the book pack, we've got the service history, everything's there that was given new to the first keeper, all of those in 2017, so 5 years ago, running on 4 matching Goodyear tyres, freshly powder coated brand new alloy wheels, so they look as good as new. We've got red brake calipers, we've got the full looks there, we've got the 45 mile to the gallon average, we've got low road tax as well. We've got the signature lights, headlamp wash, parking sensors front and rear. What more could you want? If you'd like to reserve it here at Wigan, give us a call. We'll take a £250 fully refundable deposit. If when you arrive in Wigan to inspect the vehicle it's not up to your standards, we'll then prepare it to the highest of quality. If you've got a part exchange, give us a call, we'll give you a price there and then. If you'd like to take a look at our Facebook page, Instagram, you'll see customers from all over the UK collecting vehicles from ourselves, doing exactly what you're going to do or thinking about, reserving it online with us and then us preparing it and you coming collecting it. Couldn't be as simple as that. I'm Graham, there's Lee and there's Dominic. We'll be happy to help you in any way. If you click onto the Auto Trader reviews, you'll see that we are a 5-star dealer. You'll see that customers who have picked up cars yesterday, last week, last month, have a look at what they say about the service they receive from Alpha Motors here in Wigan. But as for now, thanks for watching our video and I look forward to your inquiry.